This is Kibbeh Saniyeh, and to make it, we'll start with making the filling. Toast the pine nuts until golden, then set them aside. In the same pan, cook the onion until soft before adding the beef mince. Once browned, add the pine nuts back in, season with Lebanese baharat, salt, and a little pomegranate molasses, and give everything a good mix. And set aside to cool. Next, soak the burghul until softened. Now for the dough. Combine a cup of that soaked burghul with the beef mince, add salt and Kamouneh spices, and knead it together until combined. At this stage, you'll have your Kamouneh mix ready. To make it, blend together an onion, capsicum, chilli, walnuts, fresh mint, and basil. Add the remaining cup of soaked burghul and blend again until everything comes together. This mixture is what gives the kibbeh its beautiful flavor. Now add this Kamouneh mix to the mince and get your hands in there and knead until everything is evenly mixed. Divide this dough mixture in half. To make making the top easier, I usually pop a piece of Glad wrap into the baking dish I'm using, and I flatten out half of the dough over the piece of Glad wrap, flatten evenly and smoothly, and then lift it out and set it aside for the top. Now I oil the baking tray and I flatten the other half of the dough, again evenly and smooth. Add the filling over the top. And then I lift up the top that I molded earlier, flip it over onto the filling and peel away the Glad wrap, and then gently smooth and seal the top. Cut up your kibbeh into diamonds. And top each piece with pine nuts. Bake until golden brown and cooked through. And there you have it, homemade Kibbeh Saniyeh. Crispy on top, packed with flavor in the middle, and perfect served with yogurt or a fresh salad. If you've never made this dish before, I hope this inspires you to give it a go. The full recipe is in the description.